The traditional remodeling process is full of headaches. It's enough to make someone give up before they get started. That's where Contractor Source comes in, the simpler, faster, friendlier way to remodel your home. Contractor Source has been in business for over 35 years, with a 150,000 square foot warehouse and beautiful showroom open to all. We offer competitive pricing, the best timeline, and the industry's most trusted products that fit every design and budget. We're on a mission to make remodels simple through one point of contact who is dedicated to you throughout the process. The traditional remodel process already requires contractors or big box stores to purchase from Contractor Source. Ditch the markup and cut out the middleman by coming directly to the professionals with the Renovation solution. Are you ready to feel confident and get the best value for your remodel? Visit contractorsource.com to learn more and get started today.